Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I hope you liked my previous video on debt funds investment. If you're new to this channel, I would suggest you to go visit the video there where we have discussed on the debt fund investment using Windwell platform. Lot of learning in that video. I hope you like it. So today we are going to discuss about gold investments. We can look at gold investment as a wealth preservation term rather than getting get rich quickly schemes here, where there are too many schemes in the modern day world which says get rich quick, but gold doesn't work like that. It also helps you in wealth. So let's get started in analyzing the chart of gold here on trading view. So if you see, gold has, this is a monthly chart. Gold has been moving significantly, but what you have to observe is that from 2020, right? So from July 2020 right till now, April 2022, gold has given 0% returns. But if you look at longer term, gold has given much higher returns when compared to the previous year. So by this example, like, you can sort it out that this is not something for get rich quick scheme. You have to play the game of patience in this, and this can be mainly useful for preserving your wealth. Like one of the, I would not say less stable or less volatile assets, but yeah, like it comes somewhere in between, like not stable, not volatile, but safe to invest. Now there are basically two types where you can find gold and invest online. But before going there, let's check out this chart provided by Business Today. So this is a direct comparison between the returns in the last 10 years of gold and Sensex, the equity market, and silver. Gold has been giving quite stable returns from the past 4 years, but you also have to factor in the negative returns as well. So the overall, if you see the percentage annual growth rate, like CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, lies somewhere in between 5.7 to 6%. So factoring in the inflation in India at 6 to 7%, gold giving you 6 to 7% would mean that you're not making any money, but at the same time you're not losing any money, just like how it happens in FD, where 5% return loses you money. So that's how the gold is. So this is what the previous performance of gold is. Now that we know how it performed in the previous years, let's know basically the scheme, sovereign gold bond scheme. We call it SGBs. It is launched by the government, and every bank offers you the SGB scheme. So I have, for example, opened SBI Bank. The same happens with ICICI, HDFC. All of them offer this scheme. So this is one of the way in which you can invest in gold. But there are some features where you have to keep in mind before investing. First one is that it is a long-term plan, as I said. So the tenor of the bond will be for a period of 8 years, with exit option in fifth, sixth, and seventh year, which will have an effect on the interest payment. Minimum permissible event will be 1 gram of gold. So you have to keep in mind all of this before investing in gold. This is one of the scheme, and the next scheme is the ETF scheme, which you might be aware of. So ETFs are exchange traded funds. That's a different topic to discuss. So gold bees. So basically the Nifty bees, company is offering the gold ETF. So that is why the name gold bees. And if you're wondering what this platform is, this is Kite from Zerodha, where I use it for investing in gold ETFs. You can use other platforms as well. So You can see the chart as well here for the gold ETF. Since this is a long term thing, you have to go for the monthly chart here, and then buying would be as easy as it gets. So if you click on buy, long term, intraday is not for the gold, so long term, how much quantity you want to buy. So currently one ETF unit of gold base is costing you around 44 rupees, 44.79 rupees. So you can just enter the amount you want and this refreshes. So that is how this works, and all these are the options, just like the same, like how the ETF works. ETF works just like stock options, stock market shares. So you can buy it price lesser than the current trading price, or and then assign a stop loss, all this validity, all this. So you can check this out. So these are the two ways in which you can invest in gold. Let me know which other platform have you been using, and if there are any more platforms where gold investment is much easier. I would love to know from you guys. So please comment down, and also share it with your friends if you find this video useful. Liking and subscribing would really motivate me to release more videos. I hope you find this useful.